Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Tommy.
Good. How do you spell your name?
Toma.
Great. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Good. Tom, what color do you like? I.
I like blue.
Nice. And what food do you like?
I like burger.
Burger. Good. How are you today?
I, I like.
I'm
I'm happy.
great. Are you ready for the test? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's start. Okay, Tom, take a look at the screen and tell me, what can he do? He
He
can.
he can run.
Good. What can he do?
He can swim.
Nice. What can she do?
She can.
Yeah.
She
Sing.
sing.
Good. What can he do?
He can climb.
Nice. What can he do?
He can
Catch that.
catch a ball.
Nice. What can she do?
She can ride a bike.
Ride a bike. And what can he do? He
He can throw a ball.
throw a ball. Very good. Now tell me, what can you do? I
I
can.
can ride a bike.
Good. And what can't you do?
I can't sing.
Sing. Very good. Let's go on. Now look at this picture and tell me, can Mark play football?
But
Stop. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, he.
He can.
Yes, he can.
Yes, he can.
Good. Can Sarah swim?
She.
Yes,
Yes,
she.
he can.
Great. Can Mark ride a bike? Yes or no?
No, he can't.
Good. Can Sarah run fast?
Sa- no, she, no, she, no, she
Can't.
can. Okay.
Good. Can George swim?
Can.
Yes or no?
No, he can.
Great. Can Mark run fast?
Yes, he can.
And can Sarah ride a bike?
Yes, she can.
Great. Very good. Now, Tom, look at this picture and tell me, what can you see on this picture? I can
I can
see
see
a.
under
I
the
can see a.
under the
Stop. I can see
I can see
a slide.
a slide.
Good.
I can swing.
I can see
I can see swing.
a swing,
I can see seesaw.
a seesaw,
I can see
a
a sand beach.
sand beach, and
I can see a
the doll.
the
Doll. Good. Now tell me, where is the doll? Where is the doll?
Joe under the
The
slide.
the doll
The
is
is under the slide.
good. Where is the car?
The
Is
car is next to the swing.
good. Where is the kite?
The guy on
Is
the seesaw.
good job. Where is the bike?
The bike next to the
Is
is next to the sun beach.
And where is the boat?
The boat
Is.
is in the sun beach.
Good. Thank you, Tom. You did a really good job. See you later.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.